So I'm on the Harley Sportster S. Oh, that is awkward. Whew. Man, this feels weird as crap, dude. I'm so uncomfortable on this thing. Not because of the bike, but just because... Ah, man, it feels weird, dude. Wow. Alright, so I'm used to riding a Triumph Tiger adventure bike, and this thing is not that at all. Geez, it's a fat tire up in front. Oh my word, this is weird. So no quick shift. This is a interesting bike. It feels so small compared to mine. And the blinker's in a weird spot. It's below all my other gauges or other buttons, so I can't really see it. I feel like I can't do a tight turn on this thing because the fat tire up front is so big. I can't do it. How do I turn off my blinker? Does it go off out automatically? No, it goes. Okay. It sounds kind of nice for a stock exhaust. I mean, it seems pretty agile. The clutch is real nice. I mean, it's pretty touchy at the beginning there. I was a little touchy with it, but I think it's not bad. Oh my gosh, I went wide. I just can't do it, man. I can't go tight with this thing because the tire is so fat. So personally, I wouldn't... I don't like this bike. I mean, it's not a bad bike. It's comfortable. It really is. It's comfortable. You could ride on it probably for a good, you know, long while, for a day, and have a good road trip with it during the day, and you wouldn't be hurting or anything like that. This thing gets up though. Woo! It's quick. It's just so awkward because I'm used to doing real tight turns. So when I'm not able to, and because the fat tire it disables me from doing that, it's just super weird. Skirt. Man, the brakes are real soft though. They're not very great, to be honest with you. That took me a while to get used to, that's for sure. The dash is pretty cool. It's not touchscreen, but it's pretty cool. Kickstand's in a weird spot, especially for when you're trying to take it up. Say what?
What do you think about this one?
It took me some time getting used to it, just the size of it and everything, yeah. And then the front tire being super big.
Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's a little. Yeah.
It's hard to make a tight turn with it.
Yeah, yeah, it is. Once you get used to it, it's easier.
Okay.
Yeah, but then you do have to kind of throw it in there a little heavy.
Yeah.
Sure do.
Yeah.
Sure do. That's pretty good.
It has what?
121 horsepower.
Dang, really?
Yep.
Okay.
It's got quite a bit of power. You have to get on it. I don't know what mode they had it in, but it's got highway mode, rain mode, sport mode.
Okay.
Put in sport mode, it really like, get out there.
All right. I mean, it's a nice looking bike.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
All right.
For sure.